Horizon finishing first here in Quickborn is about equipment, but it's also about people. And I just met Peter, and Peter, you have driven all the way from Estonia to Quickborn. How was the ride?
Nice.
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 When you come to an event like this, are you looking to invest in new products, or are you more like getting inspiration for what's coming next?
Both. I just looking for folding machine. That's we need it because we have old one, Horizons too, but that's old one, 12 years old, and now it is not very good at all today.
So when you look at the binding equipment today, everybody talks about a high level of automation. Is that also something that you look as?
Yes, of course, that's the same thing, and we're looking too about.
You say that you're looking into folding machine. Is that like the AFV series you're looking into? What kind of folding machine are you looking into?
A4.
A4, okay.
No, not A4, but AF.
Yeah, okay.
And like with knife, and that kind we can do 16 pages folding. That's that's old one we need because we have offset and digital printing both, and by that we need to change to make everything with both production.
And how is being a printer in Estonia today? Are you doing a good business?
That's very hard today because it starts with Corona's time, and now it is war. It's not very much made trouble for us, but anyway, it's...
Yeah, you can feel a little bit that.
Yes, we feel it because the people don't know what will be next, how goes the development of economical things and so on, so on. There is lot of things this kind of.
But you still have the nerve to invest in new equipment, right?
Yes, of course, that's the right time.
Yeah, that's the right time.
When it's down, everything is down. That's the best time
so
to make investment.
So maybe you get better prices. Is that what you say?
Yeah, I hope.
You hope. Fantastic. Peter, good to see you. Have a good event. Okay, thank you.
You.